Hey, happy Sunday morning, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do with these buildings is the brickwork. So I've just got to wait for it to dry up. So it's just in front of the heater at the moment. So just got the spray painting done, so then we'll do a little bit of brushwork on it. And then we'll tape it all up and go to the next stage of the building. So you've got that started. So it's just not all T54s, although I've got the tracks out for that. Bloody T54, evil. And I've also nearly got its base ready to go. So nearly got it ready to install. So just got to finish off this last little bit here, and then I can paint this thing. Not far to go. It looks pretty cool. I put little, what would you call them? Water escape points. Looks pretty cool when it's finished up with its filler. Just haven't filled up that side yet. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Got the wood done. Just sort of drilling some holes in to get the effect of nails. I'll fill that up. Just got to finish it. It just takes a while. So yeah, coming along really nicely. Did a bit of damage there, which I'll do a bit more of. That's where the building finishes. And that's sort of the gap. So I'll have to do something in there with the gap. And then this section here is going to be all smashed up and damaged. So I'll have to get the hobby knife out for that. Just finish off a little bit more, put a little bit more paving down, and then just smash it all up. So that's what's going on. Alright guys, I'm going to go get some coffee. I'll see you soon.